Meet the replacement blade, copper wire stripper, your new go-to tool for effortless cable prep. Its sleek round blade in durable copper finish promises precision with every cut. Designed for electricians and DIY enthusiasts, this blade fits standard strippers and tackles wires up to 3 millimeters thick. Say goodbye to frayed ends and hello to clean, professional results every time. Scan the QR code in the top right corner to explore prices and delivery options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more smart tool discoveries and expert reviews. Key specs: round blade design, 3 millimeter capacity, 53 by 53 by 12 millimeter dimensions. High quality copper construction.